Primeflix TV presents the ultimate heartbreak and romance twist you have been waiting for. The Summer I Turned Pretty Season 3 Episode 8 is here, and trust me, you won't believe the shocking turns Belly, Conrad and Jeremiah are about to face. Is this the episode that finally changes everything? Belly's wedding plans with Jeremiah are moving on with full speed ahead, but that shocking beach scenes with Conrad has already sent fans into a frenzy because it's not just about the fruit, it's about everything unsaid between them. Episode 8 of The Summer I Turned Pretty Season 3 is gearing up to flip the entire love triangle upside down and win the show, straying further from the books. All signs point to a game-changing moment between Belly and Conrad that could rewrite the entire future. Just imagine the chaos if Belly gives in to her feelings and shares a passionate moment with Conrad right before tying the knot with Jeremiah. The fallout could be explosive. At the same time, Belly's strained relationships with her mom Laurel is set to hit another emotional peak, forcing Belly to question if she's truly ready for the responsibilities and the choices she's making. Jeremiah, meanwhile, might start picking up on the cracks in his relationship and sensing the chemistry between his brother and his fiancée, setting the stage for a confrontation that could change everything. And while all this drama takes center stage, subplots like Steven and Taylor's romance and Belly's possible future abroad are quietly building towards their own resolutions. Episode 8 isn't just another chapter, it's a turning point where betrayals, heartbreaks and emotional revolutions are about to collide, and by the end, we may finally see Belly's true heart laid bare with no way to turn back. And that's a wrap on all the drama, love and heartbreak from The Summer I Turned Pretty Season 3 Episode 8. What do you think? Whose side are you really on? Conrad or Jeremiah? Drop your thoughts below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates right here on Primeflix TV.